guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Anika K. How you doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, y'all. So y'all see the book, y'all see the title, you know what's up. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for continuing to support your girl. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by the channel and deciding that you wanted to be around my crazy. Okay, but it's all good, it's all good. So guys, we are going to be going through the budget. We're going to be going through the cash check-in for the week. And what do we do when we do budgeting, y'all? What do we do? Like my girl Triple M Craft does, we do wine. Okay, period. We do wine. Yes, ma'am. Okay, y'all. So Stella Black is here with me, my co-host, Sis does real good. She does real good. She here with me, my co-host. But yeah, guys. So, child, first of all, let me tell y'all, it's getting really, really serious out here with the, with Roro, because they are shutting us down, little mama. Well, not really, but child, they said, listen, y'all better get us together. Nah, but South Korea is really on that. We taking care of our own until everyone can get really vaccinated and stuff. So, being that we're in their country, you have to respect their wishes. But we here for the check-in. So as you guys can see, there's a whole lot that's going on. There's a whole lot going on. And I'm perfectly okay with that. If only I had brought my calculator, that would be great because I'm recording on my phone. So 1 second, y'all. 1 second. Okay, y'all. So I got the calculator. Boom. So now we're just going to go over what's happening on the weekly check-in. Guys, I tracked everything. I'm so proud of myself. So proud. Little baby was a little bit stressful trying to figure it out, but she figured it out and my numbers are right. So let me just explain to y'all real quick after this wine break real quick. So the ones in green have already been paid because I used cash to pay for those. Some of these only have green over here because they'd already been written. Okay, it's December 11th at midnight. I'm recording this. Girl, why you up? Don't ask no questions, won't tell no lie. But yeah. So these ones I saw in green have already been used. The money's already been spent. And most of it, if not all of it, is for my allowance because I made a promise to myself I would not use allowance money for credit card spending. So that's what that is. But let's go through. So on the 5th, a lot happened, 7 of them, 7 or 8, something like that. But we had allowance, household, groceries, Merrick, which is my dad, unbudgeted, and miscellaneous. So for this, I had to make some extra payment towards my credit card to pay it off, last month's big blowout that I had. If you guys have seen my November budget review, then you guys would have seen that. Also, I tipped a bagger $5 at our grocery store. So that was that. Bought some cups, some food. It was $88 combined, but I separated them into their categories. Then for Merrick, my dad, he's 104. So I had that budgeted for last month in November. And for some reason, your girl was just not feeling like sending the money. It was literally sitting in my bank account. And I was just like, girl, send the coins. What's up, sis? What's good? Anyways, finally got around to doing that. But the next thing is unbudgeted, which was early December funds for my dad, Merrick. And that was a total of $97.96, aka $98, not the usual $104 for December. So if you guys watch my monthly budget, you'd have seen that I budgeted to send him $104, but I just made the even amount in Jamaican dollars that I sent to him. But I also sent it to him early because contrary to popular belief, paradise ain't always paradise, and everywhere has violence, but especially in Jamaica around this time with family members usually sending family members in Jamaica money, people be stopping and robbing them and stuff. So I wanted to send the money early so he wouldn't be in that predicament for the month So that's why that early December funds got sent. That was for my dad, Merrick, in Jamaica as well. Then guys, remember how I budgeted my rent, my electricity, gas and all that? Still needed $4. I was like, you know what? Okay. So I took that from miscellaneous. And all of that happened on the 5th. Then on the 6th and the 9th, we had groceries, bills, and allowance. Bought something for $14. Then bills is new. And it's all of my bills that was coming out of my other bank account. But now everything is coming out of this bank account, which is either on my credit card or actually through my checking account. So that's why I kept all that together. Yeah, so Apple Music, $14.99, $15 total. And then allowance, I just bought lunch that day and it came up to $4.85. Now a lot happened on the 10th, okay? 2 of my bills came through, which was the phone bill and Netflix, $64.23, $10.99, and then total of $65.11. Allowance, I paid USPS. That should have been a part of Christmas, but I already used Christmas money to pay off, you know, whatever else was left over from Christmas money. I used it to pay off the credit card. So I just used my personal money, my allowance, and just paid the USPS amount because this was my best friend's but Christmas gift that I sent her. So that was $14, so that's what I used. Fine wine, Stella Rolls Royce, you know, sis came through. She in the video too, okay, and she made an appearance on the weekly check-in. She was $30. I bought 2 bottles. It was cool. Cheese tastes good. Cheers to y'all. Then I also bought the wine glass. Bam, bam. Y'all, I just want to be a fancy alcoholic. I can't be drinking out the bottle all the time. So I bought me a wine glass. I have a regular glasses. This is a plastic glass. I have regular glasses, but like I wanted, you know, a big bougie one, and they didn't have none at there. You know, everything has been like slowing down, being produced and everything, but they took a while for them to get this in because they didn't have it like a week or 2 ago. And I looked. But anyways, Stella Rosé in the wine glass. I need an adapter because I'm no longer recording on my camera. Well, I'll record on my camera at some point again. I'm recording on my phone now. But yeah, I need an adapter so that, you know, the mic can get used because I have an iPhone. It has, you know, like a headphone jack. So I needed, you know, adapter for it. And then like the same thing happened for my car. So I had to buy a second one. I was using the one for my car to use up here. It was just a whole lot of mess. So little baby just had to fix that. I don't know who little girl. And that was $12 from electronics. Had me breakfast and dinner along with the wine. That was dinner on the 10th. And those were $6.60 and $9.95. These are my allowance, so it's as is coins, and I won't count them when I'm counting my credit card total. Then on the 11th, we're going away for someone at Saudi's. It's a Thai restaurant, so bomb. If you come to Korea and you can go to Saudi's, definitely go. It's a really good place. Total of $19. No, today's not the 11th. Today's the 12th. Oh my God. Anyways, but this happened on the 11th, so $19 for that. I had lunch. We had lunch on Friday together as an office. That was $9.75. So, you know, that was cute. Then we went and I bought masks, guys. And, you know, little baby needs to, you know, it's still, she's still out there, okay? Felicia's still out there. Roro's still out there. So I had $10 left in my allowance. Well, I had $11 left in my allowance, but I took $10 cash because that was the paper money I had. So I used $10 as a part of my money for my mask, and then the $15 because it was $25 total for the whole box. Like, little baby, how expensive can masks be nowadays? But anyways, $15 was the difference that was left over. So I just took that from miscellaneous because it was not expected. So this could have been a part of my unbudgeted, but how I justified it was that my unbudgeted was for like big bills or things like that. And then because it was miscellaneous and it just happened and I needed them, you know, for everyday living, I was just like, you know what, I'll just take it from miscellaneous. No need to take it from unbudgeted since it's such a small expense, you know? And then lastly, I have snacks, which is $18.05 for the week. This is over a 2-week time period. I bought snacks for $18.05. How I got that was I basically added up all of my allowance that I spent, and then I was like, okay, what do I have left? So I have $1 left. And then I subtracted, everything, including $1 from my allowance, and I had $18.05 that, I basically couldn't account for, and I'm okay with that, but I knew that I spent it on snacks. So that was over a 2-week time period, not 1 week. But, on here, I just put it in for this week because, of course, my allowance is for 2 weeks and it ends this week. So now, guys, all I'm going to do, calculate up everything, but I'm going to only calculate the total section. And that's what I should have to pay towards, to put in my bank account, to pay towards my card, and I'll do everything else later. So this was 3 plus 85 plus, I don't want to do this 98 because this 98 is in a different thing. So I'm going to skip this 98 for now, but plus 14 plus 15 plus 65 plus 11 plus 14 plus 30 plus 8 plus 12 plus 19 plus 10 plus 15. That's 301. And then that's 301. And then I'm keeping all the money for December. So every charge I was in December, I'm keeping it all until the end of December. I just made this quick decision. I'm a chameleon. We talked about this. I just made this quick decision that I'm going to keep all of December's money, and then at the end of the month, we'll calculate and see how much I actually spent on my credit card. So yeah, and then this $21 from allowance from last week. So this $322 is the total. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is what little baby should have in her credit card payment for the month. So these are my main kind of cash envelopes now. So this is credit card payment. It should have $322 in there. So I'm just gonna count it up for you guys. And I have the little slip here, but it should say $322. So 100, 150, 170, 190. You know it'd be hard calculating odd numbers. 210, right? 230. That's 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. So that's 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So this is 322. And let me tell y'all see how this went smoothly? I was having a fit. Okay, I was having a fit because I was trying to figure out where some of this money was. But that is $322. And like I said to you guys, I did not include this unbudgeted $98 because that for me was actually in the back to the bank money. So this is my budgeted. I have the $98 for Merrick on here for the 177, wine break real quick. Okay, the 177. So that went into the back to the bank. And the reason I have these separated, let me just explain, is that this is my credit card payment. This is for unbudgeted things that just happen. And this goes back to the bank, but this goes to my checking account or my savings account, not to my credit card. So that's why there are 3 different categories, out and about. So just wanted to explain that to you guys in case you were wondering. So CC payment, so unbudgeted has 177 in there now because it lost $98. And this has 275 in there for back to bank because I have 177 from my Christmas envelope. That's for my family's Christmas that I sent to Jamaica. So this 177 plus this 98 is 275. So back to bank should have 275. This should have 177. So that's 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 260, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So that's 275 in back to bank. So I can deposit this money very soon. Yep, I can deposit this money back into the bank on Monday into my savings account, and I'll be very happy with that because little baby, whoo child. Okay, so that's that. And then budgeted should have 177 from losing that $98. So this is 50, 120, 130, 140, 150, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to let y'all know that I got it together, okay? We in the second week of December and little baby is getting it together, okay? I ain't out here acting up. I'm trying to do the right thing. You know when you know you messed up or you just trying to do the right thing? That's just me right now. I'm just trying to do the right thing, you know? And I feel so accomplished that I tracked all my stuff for the month of December because baby, y'all know the drill. We was acting up all the way in November. So, you know, I got to do what I got to do. Second of all, I ain't got no pens to write us up. So we just going 322 is our total. Y'all, I'm so unprepared. This was an impromptu recording, so don't judge your girl too much. But I'm gonna put it on the screen. Or I should have put it on the screen before, but it's 322 overall for a weekly check-in. That's how much we spent. Not all of it is going towards the credit card, but you know, some of it will be going towards savings. I will put that in as well, but I didn't feel like going through all the amount savings. I just went through the total with you guys. This is 322 in credit card. Back to bank has 275, and on budgeted has 175. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And if you just feeling the vibes over here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate you. Thank you for stopping by and really, really loves you. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. And again, my name is Nick NK, and I will talk to you in the next one. What's up? What's good? Goodbye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.